E aí galera, tudo bom? Eu sou o Gavin e eu moro no estado de Colorado, perto das Montanhas Rochosas nos Estados Unidos. Quando eu estive no Brasil 2 meses atrás, eu fiz outro vídeo tipo um olhar gringo de São Paulo, o litoral, Rio de Janeiro. Quase o vídeo inteiro ficou em inglês e foi uma boa oportunidade para vocês verem o que é que eu achei, mas também praticarem o seu listening, né? Mas eu recebi, depois do vídeo, muitos pedidos de fazer exatamente esse estilo de vídeo, mas mostrando a vida aqui no Colorado. Então, no fim de semana passado, eu, a minha esposa Lauren e mais 9 amigos fomos para acampar nas Montanhas Rochosas e eu levei o meu GoPro para filmar como foi a experiência. E foi car camping, se chama em inglês, então acampando perto do carro em vez de levar mochilão, e por isso ficou um pouco mais fácil, mas ainda, claro, muito divertido. E esse vídeo é para mostrar como é essa cultura. Essa cultura é bem forte aqui no Colorado de curtir a natureza, ficar no ar livre. Mas também, como no outro vídeo, esse vídeo vai ser uma boa oportunidade de praticar o seu listening, porque entre nós amigos foi um inglês bem informal, né? Mas claro que eu coloquei uma legenda abaixo para facilitar essa. Obrigado por assistirem e espero que gostem. It's the night before and I'm packing up all our stuff, listening to Clarice Falcão, good suggestion, and arranging everything, packing everything, food, pillows, chairs, sleeping bags, lanterns, and of course clothes over here. We're at our friend's house picking up some of their equipment to drive up. This is Austin.
Hello. Here's Gav packing up the old car.
That's me. Chairs.
How do you say it in Portuguese?
Cadeiras. Check out that view. That's Boulder right there. I think up in here, the Flatirons. And that's where we're camping, up close to the mountains there.
Very cool.
What do you think? You're not a mountain guy.
I think it's pretty nice though. I'm from Chicago, so we don't get this at all. Map in hand, no clue where we're going.
Maybe this is a possibility, this little road right here. This is the type of stuff we're looking for. Yep.
That's what I was looking out for.
Yeah. We made it.
We're here. Anna, we're in nature. You're not supposed to.
Wow, you're really killing that bee.
I'm sorry, that's disgusting. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in this thing right here.
I'll just stand here and film. Look at that.
Now what? So now we're gonna do the fly over it.
Everyone just got here.
I gotta quit you.
Weird.
Moon's coming up.
Is that your GoPro? Oh no.
It is.
I got nervous. What a fun.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Oh, you're gonna appear in the, they're gonna know you.
Yeah.
That's Jeff from the other video, remember? The accents one? Say hi. Do something funny.
We're here in the wilderness. I'm nervous for our lives. Look at these wild creatures.
They all did.
I thought it was you I yelled up there.
They look the same.
Lauren!
Anna, remember when we were first looking and we saw it? We were like laughing about it.
Casey, what are you doing?
I am roasting a marshmallow.
For what?
S'mores.
1 graham cracker plus chocolate plus marshmallow plus another graham cracker equals a s'more.
So we got the roasted marshmallow here, the graham cracker, and the chocolate right here. She is going to put the marshmallow right here.
Now this is a rare
Dang
sight.
snappity, who hot and hoolerin'.
Who's that for?
That
Do you guys
is
want
a
a s'more
s'more.
over there?
Wait, I thought that was for you. Oh. Thoughts?
delicious.
Day 2, we're refreshed, ready for a day. What do you think?
Woo!
Snack break. Look at this.
Great, knew that min was a blue. Great, it's
Wow,
Playing
bat.
Code names, it's a fun game.
Charge. 4. There's more in the soft cold, but they're not as cold. 5. 10.
You really do have a
Ooh, it's gonna be quite the pack.
Hope you're ready. Hope you can handle it.
What have we done today?
hiked absolutely nothing. Went in the water. It was really cold. Looked at the beautiful sights. It's been great.
What would you change if you had to change one thing? Charles, this could be for you too.
You could do that on your
Probably getting rid of
Someone call my name over there.
I like that.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
First snow of the trip. Wow. That's a snowball.
Way off. It's raining or some.
Snowing. There's some clean snow.
Casey, snow.
Look at that. That's a lot. Oh man. Huge spider right here. Clearing the spider webs.
You can see the flag from the where we were, right?
Oh, there it is.
Where's that?
The American flag. We thought we were on that mountain.
Oh, we gotta keep going.
Oh man.
That's amazing.
Lauren and Anna,
Hi.
how's it going?
Great.
Where are you?
We're on top of the world.
We're on a cliff actually.
Yeah, let's. Okay, Gavin, don't.
Can I get a little
This gives me Gavin.
I got a little speech to give.
My toes are tingling.
We're so gallantly.
Gavin, hat off, Gavin.
Sorry.
And the rockets red glare.
And the home of the brave. Guys fishing down there.
Gavin, look out.
What's up?
Look out.
Look out for what?
Like that way.
Ah.
Gavin, come on up, please. You're making me nervous.
Lauren, it's okay.
Come on.
It's a beautiful view. Yeah! You did it. No, that hit it, right?
Yeah, it'd be awesome for water.
Which
Look at that outfit.
You could switch to vodka. This is America.
What inspired it?
Yeah, there's stuff.
You're just sitting there like pounding beers.
I love candy canes.
Do you have an Instagram?
No.
What is it called?
No.
No.
And last night was the dance. And I was like, are you gonna dance? He's like, no, but I'm gonna bring my book and read it.
What are you drinking?
Wine. Hey. Wine.
Wine.
Drunk American girls.
And dumb American males.
Oh, you guys are.
We are all that is man. I am all that is man.
Okay.
Alrighty.
How do you sharpen a hatchet? Well, you're also going at it.
You're like missing the same spot every
You gotta cut it.
USA.
Lauren, remember when
Yeah, it is. One of them.
make this side of the fire hotter?
Yeah.
I'm cold.
And a second later, I'm too hot. I'm too cold. I'm too hot.
It is like a matter of 1 degree.
Typical American.
Final morning. We just left our site, all packed up, very disorganized, ready to head home.
Yes, we are.
Good camping trip.